I'm Michael Dominic, and today we're making German pancakes, or Dutch babies. I guess it depends whether or not you like the Germans, so Dutch babies? German pancakes are sort of a mix between a traditional American pancake and a French crepe. They're more savory than a pancake, but with the powdered sugar that we're adding, it's absolutely delicious. These are our ingredients: 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 cup of packed flour, 1 cup of room temperature milk, 6 room temperature eggs, a tiny little 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, the juice of half a lemon, or more if you want, powdered sugar. Now, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I don't know what that is in Celsius, maybe like 5,000. Juice your lemon. Make sure you strain the seeds and pulp. Crack your 6 eggs into a bowl. Beat them lightly. They should be goopy like this. Goopy is the technical term. Now, in a bigger bowl, add the eggs, milk, and salt. Here you want to add a little bit of flour at a time and mix vigorously. As you can see, mine was lumpy. I thought I was going to have to start all over, but I kept adding flour and whisking it as hard as I could until my hand cramped up. I kept going, and like magic, my batter was smooth. Many people use a blender for this. I don't own a blender. If you do, use it. Put your butter in a cast iron skillet and put it on the center rack of your preheated oven to melt. This takes about 5 minutes. Once the butter is melted, take the batter and pour it right into the center of the pan and place it back in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown. Now, no peeking. If you open the door, it will not rise. Once you take it out, it will fall pretty quickly, but you are left with this beautiful, delectable, buttery treat. Sprinkle it with lemon juice, and then powdered sugar. Slice it, plate it, and serve. Look at that. Lovely. And now, the final test. Success. If you like this video and would like me to make more, like, subscribe, and comment, and maybe I will. I'm not promising anything though.